Alright, before we get started today, I'm going to go grab my new lab coat. Time flies like an arrow. Fruit flies like a banana. Talking about fruit flies, specifically white-eye males and... oh, I got something else in here. Oh, red-eye females. I'll tell you about the life of a fruit fly. A fruit fly's life expectancy is only 30 days in optimal temperatures. Pregnant, a female fruit fly can lay up to 400 eggs. One egg is half the size of a dime. Half of that size. That's half a millimeter. Flies have 3 stages of life. An egg, which is kind of like being a human baby. Then you have the larva, which is like us being a little kid. Last stage is being a pupate, which is kind of like a human being a teenager. One person calculated that one pair of fruit flies could make a dynasty in 1 year. The dynasty they created would fill the space between Earth and the sun. And that's only saying that the female laid 100 eggs, when sometimes they can lay up to 400, maybe even 1,000. Oh hey look, it's a letter from Johnny. I wonder what Johnny knows today. Dear Bill, how do you tell a male fruit fly from a female fruit fly? Well, Bill, that's a really good question. Well, males, they have a darker butt and they have a sex comb, but females, they have a larger torso and their butt isn't quite as dark. That's how you can tell them apart. At the fruit fly lab we took 2 flies, 1 red-eye female, and 1 white-eye male, and we tried to we bred them, see what their offspring would be. Our results showed that all the females had red eyes, and the boys had both white and red eyes. These are the babies that they produced. The trait was passed on by the X-linked trait. Our experiment is kind of similar to what Gregor Migdal did. This is Gregor Migdal. He took 2 pea plants and found out which traits were dominant and which traits were recessive, and then he had them reproduce, and then so he knew which traits they were going to have, because he figured out which traits were dominant and recessive.